Hello YouTube, it's Dr. Pete, chiropractor, and we're gonna just start displaying some of the treatment videos. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Face down for me,
Face down?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Let's scan your spine. I'll start with your neck. Work my way down. Yeah, I can still feel this spot right here. Is that a little tender?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. I bet you that's what's causing your headaches. Let's go down the rest of your spine here. You got a little bit going on here in the scap. Right here on the medial side, on the inside of your shoulder blades there, yeah. Some stuff going on between here too. Can you feel that in there?
Yeah, I do.
Checking the joint play here as we go down. Check your hip play here, sacroiliac joint. Let's check your leg length. Bend. It's pretty straight. Alright, I'm gonna take the base of your tailbone, send it towards your feet, just decompressing the lower spine here, the lumbar area, giving it more space. Then I'm gonna pump the spinal fluid back and forth. Alright, deep breath and blow it out. Good. You feel that?
Yeah, I did.
Again. And out. Good. Helping induce this normal curve here in your neck, the C-shaped curve. And applying pressure right here on those trigger points. Good. Flip over for me, face up. Hope it's killing underneath your knees here. Let's. Check out what your neck is. Yeah. It's got some right rotation right here. Let's get in here. Just rotate it back. Yeah. Traction it out. All right. Let's get over right here. I'm gonna bring it out, and you're just gonna drop the leg, and we'll do a little traction on the lower leg. You feel that?
Yeah.
Got some movement in there, huh?
Yeah, I feel it.
There you go. Hang it over. There you go. That got a lot of movement.
Yeah.
Next, we're gonna traction up your spine a little bit, head up slightly. Right there, good. Alright, so what I'm gonna use the towel for is just to grab some leverage, and then we're just gonna traction out this spine like this and just increase the space up top, okay? Basically give you a scarf here. Good. Did you feel
I
that?
felt good.
There you go. Alright. Perfect. Alright, now let's go ahead and address the foot. Alright. Here. Check your ankle. Just straight. 2. Let me get the activator.
Okay.
And how long has the foot been bothering you?
Over a year.
How did it start?
I started because I fell. Like I don't know if I pulled something or what,
Yeah.
but I had jumped over a gate, and that was it. Ever since then, it started hurting.
Were you running from a dog or what?
Now I was just, I don't know.
Alright. And when you move the foot, where does it hurt the most?
On right here.
The lateral bottom aspect?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the only side.
Right. Is this the one you landed on, you think? Or?
Yes, I want to say I landed on it.
Okay. And if I just move the ankle, does this hurt?
No, it does not.
Okay. This way? This way? But if I put pressure
Right there.
on the aspect, and if I push up, does that bother you?
No.
Not as much as pushing down, right?
Exactly.
Right there? Okay. So this pain is over the lateral edge of the fifth metatarsal, kind of the pinky bone. And have you had the activator on you before?
No, I have not.
Okay. So I'm going to put it on your finger so you can just kind of feel the action right there, and then turn it up a little bit too. So what we're going to do is just kind of more or less subtly let's get in here and induce motion into the stuck joint. And so the activator is a precise adjusting tool, and it delivers exactly pressure we want. I'm gonna put you next on the roller tip, okay? Easy does it. How's the plans after today? Hey, it's Dr. Pete. Alright, YouTube, hopefully y'all enjoyed those videos. We had some good action from the patients. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again.